Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Kunamawian, and let's get straight to business. So I finally came back home, Cold and Coffee, New York Cold and Coffee. For whatever reason, a lot of things got in the way, vacations and personal things, so I was not able to attend some of the events that were done in August. But you know what? We are back, and this one took place in 14th Street, Union Square at Capital One Cafe, and we're just so grateful for Capital One Cafe for taking care of us. Beautiful venue. Look at that view of Union Square, and we just had a lot of fun, and we got to speak with a lot of cool people, networking, going strong. New York Cold and Coffee just keeps growing, keeps getting better. I'm already looking forward for 2026, so please, if you're looking for a great meetup to meet cool people and network, New York Cold and Coffee. And just know that Cold and Coffee is a national level, so we have multiple branches across the country, so maybe in your area you might have Cold and Coffee available. This was the past event and I was very happy with the turnout. Now let's talk about the next Cold and Coffee. This one is going to be on Sunday, September 21st, and this one is going to be special. And the reason for this is I had submitted some talks, so I'm finally going to take the next step into my journey of becoming a software engineer, and I'm going to be giving my first talk ever, and it's going to be on Sunday, September 21st. I'm going to be doing it as a crash course in MCP. For the past month and a half, I've been all over MCP, and I feel confident enough to be able to give a nice crash course to teach the basics to anyone that maybe they never heard of MCP. With my talk, I'm able to give them that little push they need to get there, and it's going to be straightforward. I'm going to be teaching the basics, the fundamentals, and then I'm going to be showing my two projects that I worked on. The user MCP, where you create and get the information of users, and then lastly I'm going to be showcasing the calendar MCP, and where I'm able to create events and get any events from my own personal Google account. So I'm very looking forward to this, and I'm very excited. It's my first talk, so hope to see some of you there. Again, it's on Sunday, September 21st, and it's going to be from 2 to 5. My talk is going to be around probably like 3:30 p.m., 4 p.m., something like that, but I'm super excited and I can't wait. Let's talk about the Commit Your Code conference. It's finally back, and it's going to be from September 25th to the 26th. If you saw my video about my experience of last year, which was this one, I can only tell you it was so worth it, me going to Dallas last year. It was game changing, and I'm so grateful that I went there and made so many cool friends, connections. I'm looking forward to going back. Just know that if you think Commit Your Code was cool last year, this year's going to be even bigger. This is done professionally. Like I give props to the team, Danny Thompson and his team in Dallas. Look at the website. Look at the speakers. Look, we have a bunch of events taking place for the conference. Day 1, day 2. This is the amazing team working on it. These are 5 great individuals, and the volunteers are going to be helping making this possible, and for all the sponsors as well. This is amazing. So if you can make it, please do so. This is the website. And look how cool this is. Now they made available the agenda, so you are now able to see all the tracks by day. And look at this. This is so well done. It's amazing. And of course, if you click any of the talks, it gives you the name of the speaker, the overview, and you can add it to your Google Calendar. And you see this button that says add to my schedule? Look how awesome. Look what this team did. Now that it's added to my schedule, if I go to my agenda, now this adds it to my own personal schedule. So it's a lot easier for you to track the talks that you want to go and watch that day. And you can take them out. And you can separate the talks. For instance, if I only want Java and JavaScript, I can take Cloud, .NET, Leadership. Let's keep those 3. And immediately when I take this out, go back to all days, it will literally filter through my selections. So, man, I'm looking forward, and just get ready for the next coming weeks. I'm going to be talking about Commit Your Code and do my best to promote this amazing event, and I cannot wait to return on the 25th. So yes, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.